हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको फिलिप लार्केन 1922 to 1985 लाइफ एंड वर्क्स। फिलिप लार्केन was born in 1992. He is one of the most distinguished poet of England. His earliest volume of verse, The North Ship, was first published in August 1945. In its introduction, Larkin described the circumstances of its publication and the influences which shaped its contents. The intrinsic value of the North Ship has never been questioned ever since its publication. Its importance was so widely felt that it has had repeated impressions. It was highly admired that a young poet could compose well. Elizabeth Jennings remarked that it is good to know that Larkin could write so well when still so young. The second collection of Larkin's poems was published under the Captain High windows. In this volume, all the different Larkin motifs have come together in pricelessly adjusted balance. It is a collection of poems in which all his well-known virtue and skills are enhanced, validated, and drawn together by the ethereal and compelling image providing the title of the volume. The Whitesome Bedding appeared in 1964. Since then, it has had several impressions. Its popularity has steadily and constantly increased. The Whitesome Bedding contains 32 poems, of which 10 are among his best and certainly among the best poems of the modern age. They move broadly from a common area of concern, but between them they range across a whole emotional human landscape. It has compassion, violence, humor, love, a sense of order, and a sense of waste. The poems reveals the finally imaged and expressed distillations of a remarkable poetic personality. Philip Larkin is temperamentally and geographically removed. He has refused almost all invitations to judge, recite, review, lectures, pontificate, or be interviewed. He has continued to produce poems of high literary value. Larkin has to his credit two famous novels, Jill and A Girl in Winter. Jill is set in Oxford during the early part of Second World War. It explains the feelings, emotions, and eventual breakdown of an intense, intelligent, working-class boy who has just gone up to Oxford to read English. Oxford life is minutely described. It is a memorable novel. A Girl in Winter is raised into a class well above the ordinary. It is a flawlessly told story of a young girl slipping towards maturity, her hopes and fears when faced with a country and people foreign to her, and her reaction to and on these people characterizations is perfect and remarkable. Philip Larkin has a rare volume entitled All What Jazz under his authorship. It collects 7 years of 1961 to 1968. Larkin's ZJAZZ record review, a work on music. All What Jazz find a noteworthy place in modern library. As an adjunct to his poetry, this book is regarded as most valuable. Philip Larkin is read all over the world with curiosity. His poems are finding place in almost all the standard anthologies being published all the world over. Larkin has established himself as one of the most remarkable of England. He passed away in 1985. His main work, Ultimatum 1940, Poetry from Oxford in Wartime 1945, Gill 1946, A Girl in Winter 1947, In the Grip of Light 1948, The Less Deceived 1955, The White Sunbathing 1964, The Oxford Book of 20th Century English Verse 1973, High Windows 1974, AUBADE, Obed 1977. Thanks, best of luck.